Getting it together. Look at our beautiful barbecue grill gazebo we have installed now. Part of our outdoor patio project. Looking nice, yes it is. My husband has his grills underneath it. But when he comes to barbecue, the sun won't be beaming down on him. Yes. Got all kind of little hooks on here. We got this from Sam's. Real nice. Has an electrical plug here. I should have told him to put it in the front. I'm finna see if I can remove it and put it over on this wall here so it won't be so close to where the fire with the barbecue pit is. But it looks nice. They put this together real quick. Yes, looks nice, looks nice. We got little tables on each side, but we're gonna put some little chairs there, bar chairs, bar stools rather, there, and on the other side. So we can come and sit and watch them grill. Looks nice, yes. Now we got one more gazebo we put in there. It's gonna be up next week to finish our backyard makeover. Then I gotta tackle my garden bed over there. It's gonna look nice. Yes it is. Yes it is.